Our new version of Wscad, in addition to AI Copilot, brings some very exciting new features and improvements. First, we would like to show the new database. Before, the main database was Access. Now it's SQLite. If you have older projects or databases, you can easily convert them into SQLite. So let's import some project from previous databases. So we open this part management. As you can see right now, we have 0 parts, and let's import it. As I said before, here we have multiple different formats, and let's import the Access old part database. So here you can see we have a couple of databases from Access, from Rocket. You can see, let's try and import this material 2022. We will just go forward, and we will not setting anything up. Here you can see the filter. You can see in this database we have 721 parts, and if you want a filter, if you want, for example, just some manufacturer, Phoenix manufacturer, you can filter it. There's also option when you're importing, but we won't do this. Right now we will import the whole database. Here we just imported the whole database with all additional data. So that's it, with 721 parts. We can check here, it looks good, it looks all right. And one more thing here, there is export database button. This is new feature. So we can export the database into different formats. Like we can export into CSV, XML, or Excel. This is good for if you have some special ERP system or something, it's easier to integrate it. Then let's check again our database and place some parts. So again, this is our new database, SQLite. We can just insert this part from GIMO. Okay, it looks good. And let's do it one more time. Maybe we can insert the part from SICK, the sensor. Also good. Okay, there is one more thing. There's a new thing here. You can see the test 5. This project, this is on network. So we have optimized performance when working in the network. Project files from a network drive are automatically saved locally and logged for editing on the network. They are released again. So you can see we change something here, and they are released again when we upload it or close the project. And there's a, as you see, there's a yellow mark that we know that's on the network. So let's go forward. If you open this demo project, here you can see, let's do a checklist, because if you go to the tools and check and make this checklist, that we check our if there are any errors, warnings. As you can see here, we have some of them. Now, the new thing from the checklist, as you can see, we have a filter, as already Elvis told us. This is good, so we can filter each discipline. And here we have different potentials. As you can see right now here, we didn't assign all potentials here. These 3 bars are empty. Yeah, and we will just open these connection attributes that you can see these nodes. And there's a new thing, connection attributes. If we click here and we assign again this potential, which is proper for this application, and click this potential view, we can transfer the data directly. It's good. And very easy, you can place the potentials on the wires. You can see here. It's also nice thing. We are doing a lot. Actually, Wscad is doing a lot in materialist, in filtering, in documentation. So we can check what is new in filtering, in documentation. So if you open this materialist, we have all materialists from the project. And if we click the generate right here, you can see we have a filter. So we can filter it. We have multiple placeholders here. We can set the parameters, let's say reference name. Then we have this operator. We can take a contains value. Let's make F, protection elements. And there's more thing. We have condition if you want to be more detailed, but right now we won't do that. Just try to find the potential protection elements. We want delete existing material lists on creation. Okay, click next. And now we got the filter. Okay, we have to wait. Yes, we get the filter. Here we have all protection elements, reference name with F. Of course, we can also do it more, right? And if you again click a generate, and here we have the option to export in multiple formats, as you already probably know. Let's say export to Excel, and if we click these output fields here on the left side, we have information. We have placeholders which we want to generate in the Excel sheet. Okay, this is not new, but here this is kind of new thing. Template. Yes, we can set the template from Excel template. We just prepare one template, Excel template for this demonstration, this webinar. Stay ahead. So you can see here. Let me show you what this template is about. Here, stay ahead. You can see these special signs here in this Excel. They collect the placeholders from the Wscad. So we get these placeholders, and of course this is Excel. We can already put some equations here. As you can see, we want summary of weight, these protection elements. Okay, let's try it. So let's generate it. Done. Okay, here you can see we have all this information in material list, and of course already we have this equation. So there's already some report in Excel sheet, which is mostly finished. So this is also a step forward. Okay, can go forward. And yes, cable list, we are actually, if we check the cable list, there is much more placeholders like manufacturer. Now we can name the manufacturer. Now we can know which manufacturer is from the cable or so. And if you go forward, if you open this, here there's also one feature which we were waiting long for it. Now we have a cable. In the one-pole scheme, we can easily set the cable. Here you can see we already have these cables in three-pole scheme, and we can just collect and put these cables from the three-pole schemes from the cable manager. PN6 and PN1, for example. Again, now this cable is represented in one-pole scheme and three-pole scheme. If you want to check where this is, we can open the cable manager, and with right click and go to element, we can find it where it is. This is from the cable. So if we go forward, Wscad made a major step forward in automation, because now we can create a macro template project. So if we go forward and let's copy this project, demo project, and name it to macro project. You can see here we have project type. That's a new thing. We can now set the project type to macro template project. Everything else should be the same, because this is all what we need to do. So let's click done. For now, not. Okay. Now we can just go to the first page, supply. Everything, as I said, is the same. If you go to the second page, if you want to create macros right here, let's open insert and place the macro area. Now we have possibility to place the macro areas in sheets, in schemes. So it's very easy to create a macro, as you can see. What we have to do, we have to define the folder where this macro would be saved. Let's say demo, and the macro name would be cabinet lighting. Okay, it's a path macro. And here we have possibility, of course, we can write description or comment, and let's go forward. So, or here you can see on the right side, we have macro explorer where this folder are and where these macros are stored. So let's make more macros on this page. This service outlet. Here, again, the folder would be demo, and the name would be service outlet. And the last one, supply line. Name of the folder, and the name would be supply line. And it's a path macro. Yeah, these are simple macros. If we have some, we can use, you can see macro area polygon if the shape of macro is complex. This is also one feature. So we can easily define the area of the macro. You can see everything else is the same. We want to store under demo, and macro name would be energy measurement. It's a path macro. Okay. Now, what we have to do is just to go to the tools. And here we have new button, create update macros. And now we will create these macros. So we can create multiple macros at once. You can see we have 4 macros. And yes, there is also very good option. If we want, for example, here we have this service outlet. If you want to adjust something, multiple macros at once, just let's delete this socket, and we just easily update multiple macros at once. So we get these corrections. It's easy to find, to create. You can see. And there is one more thing. With a project wizard, there are 2 new versions. This is good news. Now we have Lite version and Expert version. In Lite version is a free of charge for if the customer has the maintenance contract or subscription software. So that's it for now, and maybe we can go back to you, Elvis.